But dumating sa puntong inalagaan ko yung pangalan ko ng 46 years. Magandang palaki sa akin ang magulang ko. At higit sa lahat, sabi nung 3 anak ko, mabuti akong ina. So, napakasakit sa akin, napaka-patong-patong. So, you know, if people pick that up, tapos talk as if they live with us, you know, and they see us, and they know what we're going through. Even my children have, you know, have suffered, and sama ng loob nila, we've been off social media, partly because of this. So, ayoko to yung pwede lang, pero parang it's a message also na artista kami, pero ang dami na nakakalimot na nasasaktan din kami, di ba? Na hindi naman ninyo kami